Hello friends, today's lesson is Artificial Intelligence. Nowadays we have to use AI to everything. Actually, AI tools help us to work in smart way. Let's study deep into it. So, what is this artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, is a simulation of human intelligence by computer systems enabling machines to perform complex tasks such as reasoning, learning, and problem solving. AI has three main parts. They are narrow AI, general AI, generative AI. Let's study deep into it. First, we are discussing about narrow AI. Narrow AI is a type of artificial intelligence that designed to do only one specific task very well. Second AI type is general AI. In this AI type, it can think, reason, learn and adapt just like a human. Last AI type is generative AI. In here, we can create a new content instead of just analyzing informations and data. Again, AI is divided to two main parts. They are strong AI and weak AI, also known as narrow AI. Strong AI is a computer system that can do complex tasks such as complex robots. Weak AI is a computer system that can do only one specific thing, just like the chess robot in your computer. And now we are going to talk about advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: we can put time managing, can work fast, reduces human effort, can handle dangerous tasks, and also we can work 24 hours with AI. Disadvantages: we can put job replacing, privacy issues, blaze in data, and over depends on machines. Uses of AI: we can use AI for medicine, education, transport, agriculture, banking, games, and many more. If you like our video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment below for your next video.